basic white sauce, you know, bechamel. It's seasoned with white pepper, salt, nutmeg, freshly grated nutmeg, and I add a little bit of ground mustard to give it a little kick, like the bowl that I fell off earlier. And I sent that garlic, I sent the butter with garlic, a big crushed clove in there, let bubble around in the melted butter first, and then you sprinkle an equal amount of flour, and I do a combo of milk and cream, and then I threw in, I'd say about 1.5 cups to 2 cups of shredded Gruyere, or you could use sharp cheddar or a mix of the two. And the star of this is going to be the blue cheese. So we're going to crumble in, this is a big bunch of my local smokehouse, Oscar's in Warrensburg, New York, makes this wonderful smoke blue. And I just put a little bit into the sauce and put most of it up on top so the sauce doesn't turn crazy green color. And then I pour that down over our undercooked pasta. This is cavatappi, hollow corkscrew-shaped pasta with lines. And then we're going to add in some chives, and we'll garnish with a little bit more when it comes out of the oven. And then we're going to throw all this into a casserole dish. Hello, fella. And then we're going to put a ton of the blue cheese crumbles down over the top of that. I told you, it's smackdown mac and cheese. And then a little more of the Gruyere or cheddar. Pop this in the oven till it gets bubbly and brown. And now the salad I told you I serve with this is just a steakhouse special, really. You just take thick cut tomatoes. And tomatoes are only tasty a couple of months of the year. So I layer them up with thick slabs of onion, and you can use a white onion or a red onion. Give the onion feet, give it a little flat edge on one side. And then cut a few slabs, and you layer this together, and then I top it with steak sauce, just like they do over at Peter Luger's here in the city. I know. And then you top that with a ton of bacon. Yeah. Pretty good, as Larry David would say. Pretty good. So you layer these suckers together, and then I sprinkle the whole thing with some flat leaf parsley, nice grassy flat leaf parsley. A couple of big slices there at the end. A little bit of coarse black pepper. A little bit of salt for the tomatoes. Over the shoulder for luck. Big leaves of parsley. And then my steak sauce. I like HP sauce on this, but A1's delicious too. And then all down over the top, a ton of that crispy bacon. Can you believe I call that a salad? I put a little extra sprinkle of chives up on top of the dish, and then serve it up. And you know, this is great even for parties. You could put this in little ramekins and make little party size mac and cheese, you know? You can even do portion control for the whole family and put it in you know, like a 6 to 8 ounce size, and then people can heat them up. They freeze beautifully. It's great. So there's our mac and cheese with our steakhouse tomato salad with the HP sauce all over it.